How to create an account on Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you create an account on Twitter. So if you want to create an account on Twitter, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, you want to install the application from your respective app store, and you want to type in Twitter or X on the search bar. When you type in X, you need to go ahead and install the application and click on the install button. After the application is completely installed, then you could find it here in the home page. Now this is how the interface will look. So you'll be provided with two different options, either to continue with Google or create account. Since we are going with creating account, so click on create account, type in your first name and then the last name and then the date of birth as well as the email address that you want to register. So quickly do it so. After which, tap on the next button, and this is where it's gonna actually happen. Now you need to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt. So basically you will be asked to verify your account by entering the verification code that will be sent to your registered email address. So now after you've actually done it, so you then need to create a password as well. Make sure to read the criteria underneath and then create a strong and a unique password. Once you've actually done it, so you need to go ahead and provide in all your information. You also need to verify your account and then create a secure password, personalize your profile, all that. And with that being said, you'll have successfully created an account on Twitter. So this is how you could go ahead and create your account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.